Hello, this is Shahriar Kabir. So today I will show you one of my clients' work where I added a custom text field in the Shopify product pages. And this is this field, add your personalizations here. So if we suppose, let's write my name here and add to cart. You see in the sidebar cart, it attached to the order. Similarly, in the cart page, it's here. Also, in the last page, the checkout page, the text appears here. So it attaches to the order. It's just not a random text field. It's basically a part of the product now and part of the order. So I made this customization for one of my clients today, but he wants something more, like he wants the control to show this extra or custom text field in some specific products, not all, and he would like to change the products of his choice later. So how he could do it? So basically I made a meta field, custom field here for him. So if it's true, then if you go to any products and make it true, the text box will appear in the front end, and if we make it false or clear and save, then the text field should disappear. It's not gone. I think it's cache, Shopify cache. So we can make a hard reload here. Let's see if it's gone or not. Yeah, it's gone. So let me know if you need a similar customization for your Shopify store, or if you have any other customization request. Feel free to reach me via the contact link in the description below. Thank you.